Hello, I'm KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to change your address on DoorDash app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to change your address on DoorDash app. We'll start by opening up your DoorDash on your phone. So once you do that, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look on the upper left hand corner, we're going to see the profile icon. It has like a circle and a picture inside there. So make sure you tap on that. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. With here, look on where it says account. With an account, look on where it says address. So make sure you tap on address right there. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. As you see your current address. So since we're changing your address, make sure you type a new address that you want to put there. So that's my new address right there, the 300 East Grand. So make sure you tap on your new address. And make sure you tap on the bottom where it says save right there. So tap on save. Then you can just say dismiss right there. And make sure you go back again so you can delete the other one. Or you can go back and verify and see right there. That's your current new address. You're gonna see it has like a red color right there. And that's how you change your address on DoorDash app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.